Hi guys, welcome to my channel. On today's video we're going to be practicing more on our common entrance questions. Our first question for today is divide 1.339 by 0.13. The first thing you do when you see a question like this is to clear your decimals. How do you clear decimals? Put this question as a fraction because fraction line also means division. So here's what I'm going to do. I'm going to write 1.339 all over 0.13. As you can see, I tried putting the decimal points over each other so they can align. That way, I know there are 3 decimal places here. There are 2 here, so I'll make this 3. And if I multiply this by 1,000, I have cleared that decimal. If I multiply this by 1,000 as well, I have cleared that decimal. So division of decimals is easier when you clear your decimals. Okay, so now I have this is equal to 1,339 and this is equal to 130. So I could use short division or long division to solve this. But in today's video, we're going to be using long division. So I'll draw my long division sign. My 1,339 is inside the long division sign. And my 130, it's outside. I'm going to pick the 3 numbers together because 130 can go in 13. So I pick the 3 numbers together. How many 130 do I have in 133? Just 1. I multiply. This times this gives me 130. I subtract. 133 minus 130 is 3. Okay, so I bring down this. I ask myself, how many 130 can I get in 39? Not possible. Don't forget to write your 0 before you put your point. And this point gives you the access to keep adding zeros. But in this case, there's exactly 3 130s in 390. So I have 3. I multiply. 3 times 130 gives me 390. I subtract. I have 0, 0, 0. Final answer 10.3. And I'm done. Here's our second question for today, and it says change 1 hour, 1 minute, 1 second to seconds. So you're going to take this one after the other. You change 1 hour to seconds first, then you change 1 minute to seconds, then you change 1 second is already in a second, so there isn't any need to do anything about it. So when you're done, you add up all your seconds together. Let's dive into it. So here I have 1 hour is equal to 60 minutes. I can't go all the way. So I go with 60, multiply by another 60, takes me to seconds. So I have 3,600 seconds. So that's 1 hour into second. Let's go. 1 minute. 1 minute into seconds is just 60 seconds. And remember, we have 1 second. Okay, so I come here, I add my 60 is in seconds, and I add my 1 is in second as well. So I add addition of all of this gives me 3,661 seconds. And I'm done. Easy. All right, guys, if you're still watching to now, I want to say a big thank you to you for sticking by. Please don't forget to subscribe, turn on notifications so you don't miss any math tip, share with others, and like this video. All right, so let's go to our third question for the day. It is 4/7 of a number is 24. Find the number. The secret to solving a question like this is to write an algebraic equation. Once your algebraic equation is correct, it's half of your question is solved. So that's how it works. So we're going to write an algebraic equation to help us solve this question. It says 4/7 of a number. So the first thing I'll write is, let the number be x. That means 4/7 of means multiplication. That x equal to 24. Once I solve this equation, what I get for x is my number and I'm done. Okay, so let's multiply these two fractions. Multiplication of fraction is only horizontal. So you do 4 times x gives you 4x. 7 times 1 is 7. And you equate it to 24. Because this is a fraction, I decide to put my 24/1 to be a fraction as well. And remember, when two fractions equate each other, you cross multiply. So 4x times 1 is 4x. Now, I'm going to leave 7 times 24 without solving it because I know that 4 can cross out 24. So it's easy for me to leave it and cross it out, dividing before I multiply. So this divide by 4, this divide by 4. My 4 cancels my 4. My x is left alone, which is what I aim at. All right. So next is 4 here 1 and 4 here 6. So my x is 7 times 6, which is 42. So 4/7 of 42 is 24. And I am done. If you enjoyed this video and you like the video and you've learned something in this video, I want you to please subscribe to this channel. It helps me a lot. Turn on notification so you don't miss any math tip. If you know anyone that will benefit from this video, please share with them. Thank you for watching.